All right, Monica, dear, I'm going to hit the road.
I am ready to hit the road.
All right, let's hit the road.
Okay, girls, it's time for you guys to hit the road.
So hit the road and we'll see you at Thanksgiving.
Hit the road is an idiom that means to leave or begin a journey, usually by traveling. It is often used in a casual or informal context. Meanings and explanation. 1. To start a journey or trip. It is commonly used when someone is about to travel, especially by car or on foot. Example, we need to hit the road early tomorrow if we want to reach the mountains by noon. 2. To leave a place. It can also mean departing from a location, whether for travel or just to go home. Example, it's getting late. I should hit the road before traffic gets worse. 3. To be forced to leave. Sometimes it can mean being told to leave, often in an unfriendly way. Example, the manager caught them causing trouble and told them to hit the road.